Guys, magandang umagang muli. Nagluluto na nga pala po ako ng tinapa at dilis na binigay sa amin pasalubong ng aming magandang kumaring Carmela Garcia Ala, asawa ni Pari Joshua Ala. Ito po, nagprito na ako. Ulam namin ngayong almusal. So, hinaan ko yung apoy. Masyadong malakas. Subscribe God's Glory Vlogger para makatulong tayo kapag abot din ng ganito. Huwag tayo sumasahod na sa YouTube, ha. Tulungan niyo po ako. Those vloggers who has their earnings, big earnings, please share with us. Support us because we are small and new beginners vloggers. So help God's Glory Vlogger. Please help me by means of sending your money to me or go with me in mission because I am a pastor, I am a Christian. We want to help those servants of God on the church and the church members to share blessings from God and using us. Okay? God's Glory Vlogger and the people that is needy or that are needy. Okay? Please subscribe God's Glory Vlogger. Bye-bye. God bless.